We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
1, 2, 3, scissors, paper, rock. Nursery rhymes are a part of everyone's childhood, and while some have been passed down from generation to generation, others are contemporary creations by people like Feng Huiyue, a Hakka man from Longtan in North Taiwan. A teacher at Taoyuan's Delong Elementary School, Feng began writing for kids in 1979 after attending a workshop on children's literature. He began researching traditional Chinese folk songs in various dialects and wrote over 30 children's books and 2,000 nursery rhymes, earning himself the nickname King of the Children among his friends. But it wasn't until 8 years ago that 55-year-old Feng started writing children's songs in Hakka, his mother tongue, after meeting a famous Hakka writer. He says that unlike Hokkien and Mandarin rhymes, which tend to emphasize games for 1 or 2 children, Taiwan's Hakka nursery rhymes describe group activities, possibly because of the strong bonds between Hakka people created by years of moving from region to region in search of a place to call home. Hello everyone and welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Alice, I've been meeting a lot of people, a lot of friends, and one of the things I ask them is, where do you live? Where do they live? 很多时候认识到新的朋友，一定会问他们说，你住哪里嘛，对不对？所以这到底要怎么问？
你喺哪位？
你喺哪位？就这样4个字而已。你喺哪位？ Where do you live? Okay, so for instance, I live in Taipei, so 台北市, Taipei City.
台北市。
台北市 Okay, a lot of people live in Taipei County.
台北縣。
台北縣啊，要来腌来吃了，感觉肚子饿了。台北縣就是台北 County. And you know what? Also, some friends like to live in 桃园。那桃园怎么说？
桃园。
桃园，我自己来灌一下。
OK。
桃园市的话，桃园市。That's 桃园 City. 如果是桃园 County 的话，桃园縣。桃园縣啊，住在桃园的人都头圆圆的。
会被你骂，老公。
It sounds like a round head for some reason. Anyways, that is Taoyuan County. Let's review it one more time.
你喺哪位？
你喺哪位？ I live in Taipei City.
台北市。
台北市 That's Taipei City. Taipei County.
台北縣。
台北縣 And then 桃园 I'll do this. 桃园市桃园縣 That's Taoyuan City and Taoyuan County. So there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.